That was the Christmas decoration that I thought was something else. I don't know why it's there. I think Caroline put it there. What? Oh. Ashlyn.
Hi. Oh my God. Embarrassing.
Hi.
Hi.
Your hair is blonde.
Yeah.
What's that all about?
It's been blonde.
It looks blonder.
Oh, thank you.
Did you? Have you been? Maybe it's the lighting.
It's probably because it's in these.
Oh, okay. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Just fantastic. I got Alope in the house. What could be better? You sent me things, didn't you?
I did. I have an IBQ tomorrow.
Ooh. Well, let's IBQ it, shall we?
We shall.
All right. So, okay. Let me open. Oh, it's just one little doohickey.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, what are you eating?
What is it, Dad? Pizza pasta? I don't know.
Just eat it. Whatever. I don't know.
From his meal prep. It's spicy, but
I am having squash pasta. Is that right, Kim? Butternut squash pasta. Hold on, I have to cancel this. With cream spinach, or I think Alfredo, I'm told.
that's the best.
Alfredo. I'm Alfredo to eat it. All right, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Is it good?
No.
I noticed that you said that not too loud.
Well, there's another one that he has to eat. It's just spicy.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so I can't tell if it's paper 2 or paper 1, whatever.
We can use our calculators.
So that would be paper 2. Sweet. Let's go. Let's go. Let me get the dealios up so we can look at them.
Oh yes, I can get mine. Yeah, I gotta find them.
There she blows. Our logarithms.
Got them somewhere.
Logarithms, it seems like it should be like a Spotify channel, right? Logarithms, get it?
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty good.
It is. I just don't like logarithms. So.
Why do you? Everybody always hates on the logs. The logs are the bomb diggity.
No, not as bad as calculus though. So.
Dude, calculus is life.
Okay.
All right, let's roll.
Okay. So show that log. Okay. We're in logs, so that's fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So show that that is equal to that.
Okay, so they're gonna equal the same
Well,
thing.
they're different bases.
Oh.
And it's all about that.
Base.
About that.
Base.
About that.
base. So we can
I'm
make
trying to think of the best way to attack this without you crying. Um, ah, I'm thinking H. Ellis. Can you pop up the mark scheme?
Yep. Mm.
Because I don't want to do what I'm gonna do. You want to share your screen?
Sure. How do I? Share.
There you go.
This is fancy.
I'm so fancy. I don't want to do, okay, that's what we got to do. All right. Okay,
Okay. Do I unshare now?
I got it.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. So we're going to use the change of base. I was trying to avoid that. But c'est la vie, as they say, la vie. I don't know. I'm trying. So change of base. How do you feel about change of base?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's fine. You put the
Okay.
base that you want, and then you take the lowest, like the base goes to the bottom, and the other one goes to the top. That's fine.
Yes, excellente. Well done, young lady. So when we're in a sitch like this,
Mhm.
we almost always want to change the larger base to the lower base. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite, and then we're going to try and get it to be that guy. So this is going to be log base 3 of cosine 2x plus 2. Yo-yo.
Yes.
Okay. Over log base 3 of 9.
Okay.
Okay. So the reason that this is so wonderful is log base 3 of 9 equals a number.
3.
No.
2.
How do you know that?
Because
That's correct.
the
3 squared equals 9.
yep.
Is that what you were going to say?
Yes.
You're not just lying to me.
No, I knew that. I just couldn't remember what I did.
Excellent. Okay. So now here's another thingy that your species doesn't like.
Oh.
This is, there's a 1 in front of here. Are you with me?
Yeah. Oh, so it's 1/2.
It's 1/2 log e base 3 cos 2x plus 2, right?
Right. Oh. And then when 1/2, it's an exponent, so it's a little square root.
Dude, you're on your game. Last week you were tired or something.
Oh, not today. I'm ready.
Killing it. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. This is fancy as for as required. It's
Yay.
mathematical. It's mathematical smack talk. Okay. So onward to B. How about that? So we showed that is equal to that, right?
Right.
Log base 9. So log base 3 of 2 sine x, hence or otherwise, solve that horrible thing. And you can use your calculator.
Yes.
I believe this is actually a non-calculator question though. Where's my formula sheet? Okay. All right, you're annoying me. I'm talking to the formula sheet. Okay. Not you. I kind of show you what we're going to use here. I don't want to. Okay, well, so, all right. So the wonderful thing about IB, besides obvious things, is that they, on multi-step questions, they guide you through it, right? So they're saying, because you've shown this, we can say that log base 3 of 2 sine x is equal to
The beginning. Log 9.
right, but we just showed that log 9 is equal to this, didn't we?
Yeah, so you just plug that in.
You got that right, Jackson. Log base 3 of square root of 2x plus 2. Are you with me?
Yes.
So here's the thing, LMAX letting you use a calculator, right?
Mhm.
So you could graph these and see where they intersect and you're done.
Mhm.
As long as you have to know where the interval from 0 to pi over 2, which you can put in on your calculator, or realize that
Make it the width.
or you can realize that pi over 2 is pretty close to 3 over 2, isn't it?
Yes.
And which is about 1.5. So you could think of that way if you want, whatever you want to do. But this, oh, wait, this is cosine 2x plus 2, sorry. Cosine of 2x plus 2, okay. This is kind of weird. This is actually cosine of the 2x, not of all of 2x plus 2.
Okay.
So the reason that they do this is you can then say 2 sine x is equal to cos 2x plus 2. You smell what I'm cooking here?
Yes. Wait, isn't it? Do you get rid of the 1/2 then?
Square root. What's the matter with you? Why didn't you do the square root there? I don't know what's the matter with you.
I don't know.
How do we get rid of a square root on this godforsaken planet?
The 1/2. And yeah, just the 1/2. It's not negative.
Well, we would put 1/2, but we're still have an issue with solving this. But
Oh, you put
like
it at
in
the
it,
front.
no, because the logs are gone.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, I guess we could. Oh no, because the log's still there, so it wouldn't. So in an equation, how do you get to the square root? What do you do to both sides to get rid of a square root?
More the exponent.
You square both sides.
Yeah, that's exponent. Yeah.
Is that what you meant?
Sure.
You're lying. See, now you're lying.
I think so. I don't know what I meant. Like I saw it, but I didn't. It didn't register.
Well, let's see if it registered. So
Okay.
4 sine squared x would equal, we square a square root because it gets rid of the stupid square root. Do you smell what I'm cooking?
Yes.
Okay. I don't, okay, so I'm feeling, you have a test tomorrow. And I'm trying to show you how to do it by hand, but she says you can use a calculator. If you can use a calculator on this, and on a paper too, then you graph this and you find the intersection and you move on. Okay. And in fact, I would just graph this. In fact, I would graph this.
Ooh.
Do you know how to, I mean, do you know how to do different bases in the graphing part? It's the same process, but why don't you try and do it?
Yeah, I just do log.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you just
So
enter it in like you would on the calculator. And see where they intersect.
Sine. That's trigonometry.
Make sure you're in radians.
Oh, that's good. That's good catch.
That's what I do.
How do you? Oh, that's fun. Hold on.
You remember how to do that?
Menu settings. Oh, settings.
Mhm.
Wrapping angle, radian. Geometry angle. Ooh, one of my bands just.
Radians.
Oh, ah,
What did you do?
my band just popped. Sorry. Okay. Didn't do it during the game, so I'm happy.
Do we need to call 911?
No, but just don't look at that bubble. We're just not gonna. Oh, it's a little.
What was that? Could you do that again? This is being recorded, and this is going to be a TikTok video.
Oh.
All right, I'm going to get rich off of the TikTok.
Not by me. Log, man. Cosine. Oh, I can't say anything stupid today. Do I do little parentheses for the 2x? Like cosine 2x?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I didn't do them for the sine though.
You don't have to.
Oh, good.
Because the +2 is not being cosigned. Are you with me?
No, with the sine, I didn't do it for that.
That's fine.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's a little one. That's so adorable. So then I go
Did
to
you put in the correct bases? 1's base 9, 1's base 3? Okay. And then you would find the intersection between 0 and pi/2.
So the x is 0 and pi/2.
Mm-hmm.
Pi over. All right. And wait, no, the y I don't have to mess with.
No, as long as you can see everything.
Sure. Okay. And then I do my little.
Yep. You don't have to do it. I just want to make sure that you could do it. Right.
Oh,
you know what you're doing. I was worried about you entering the log stuff.
There should only be one.
I don't know. Could be more than one.
Oh, I just have one right now.
Cool.
Yeah.
And then you would sketch the graph, mark the intersection, mark the ordered pair, and then say x equals the x coordinate. Yes.
So just x. Well, I give both, but then I'm like x is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So.
Because you're solving for x.
Oh, can I give you my point?
Yeah.
0.785, comma 0.315. So the x is 0.7.
Yeah. So you would do this, but on your little sketchy wetchy, and I'm so sorry I said that. You should, wherever the ordered pair is, you put it like that and put the point, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just a quick, don't you get out your markers and make it colorful and crap. You just down and dirty. Don't do it.
Okay, I wasn't thinking about it until you said it. So
now at another time we would have to do some trig and substitute and factor and do some stuff in unit circle.
Oh, but not today. Yay.
Well, it makes me nervous because this is really a paper one. It's against my everything I stand for as a conceptual understander, but you have the concept with a calculator, so I'm gonna let myself slide. Yay. Oh, Mia. Let's talk about Mia.
Mia.
She baked a very large apple pie, apparently.
Oh, I thought you were talking about.
Okay. I don't know. The only Mia I know from Windermere Prep graduated long ago, and you wouldn't know her.
Mia Williams? You
Mia
don't know?
Russo. Oh, I know Mia Williams.
Yeah, I know
Forgot
Mia
about Mia
Russo.
Williams.
Well, I know
Oh, you
about.
do?
We were freshmen. I was a freshman. No, I was a freshman when
They
she.
put her back to a freshman or promoted you to the senior. Is that what happened?
I meant we because I was thinking Caroline.
Ah,
But
gotcha. I thought
I
you
realized,
mean me.
yeah, you. So we were freshmen. She was a senior.
Oh my God, this is terrible.
Oh, expansions. I like these.
Oh,
These.
that Mia is not, this is wrong. Mia is for the next question.
Oh,
Yeah, let's get rid of Mia.
not a derivative. I just like the nth term.
All right, take the derivative while I'm covering this up.
A derivative. So,
Do it.
gosh, it's
Don't
2.
complain.
It's just 2x.
No, it's not. There's a 7th out here.
Oh, so that moves to the front. No. Yeah.
It rhymes with rain cool. Chain rule.
Oh, no, that's the inside out one, right?
Outside in.
Outside in. I was thinking about the movie. So outside. Oh my gosh, I literally knew how to do this yesterday too. Um, outside in. The 7th does something. Wait, I can
Derivative of the outside multiplied by the derivative of the inside.
get rid
So
of
the
that.
outside function is the 7th power.
Yes. So that just moves. Oh, and then it's just at, oh, you put 2x. Oh, and then to the 6 because you minus 1, and then it's just 2x. Oh, I did know how to do that. Oh, because then you take. Oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right. So tell me what you knows about the binomial expansion. It seems like you're excited about that.
Well, like you use your little, it's a geometric sequence or an arithmetic sequence. That's what I thought we were doing, but that's what we're doing.
No, sorry.
I'm no longer excited.
You sounded genuinely angry. That's why I thought it was funny.
No, I am because I literally asked her to put more of the arithmetic and geometric sequences on the midterm, like our IB mock, and she purposely only put like 1, and it was like 2 points. And I was like, that's the only thing I know how to do. Like, I was mad at her, but yeah.
Okay.
It's the only thing I knew how to do, but I do it well. So. Oh, not N, choose R. Oh my gosh. So.
All right. So forget about 14x for just a sec.
Okay.
Okay. So N choose R. And we're just going to focus on x squared plus 3, right? So we know that A is equal. So we're talking about A plus B to the N, right?
Yes.
So tell me what A is in this little dreamy thing.
It's X.
Squared.
Wait, 6 minus.
No. Forget about this. I'm talking matching this up.
Oh, sorry. It's
No.
X.
That's my fault. A equals x squared.
B is 3. And then N is 6.
Okay. So we know that we have 6 choose R right?
Right.
Times a, which is x squared to the n minus r times 3 to the r, right?
Right.
Okay. And our goal, what we're after, is the term x to the 5th. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. 6 choose r is a number.
Mhm.
Remember that?
Yes.
It's a number. 3 to some power is a number.
Mhm.
Are you with me?
Yeah, we can
Are you with me?
we can find it.
So the only thing that's going to get me x to the 5th power is this term right here, isn't it?
Yes.
And I made a little thing, and I can't believe that you didn't call me on it. We already know that n is 6, don't we?
Oh, I thought we were just waiting.
Good. No, yell at me.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
So
we did. Oh,
so we know that x squared to the 6 minus r, that's got to give me x to the 5th. Okay.
ours has got to be 7.
No, hold on to your cheerleading skirts. Okay. Now we have to remember Mr. 14x. So actually, I should have probably put him in here, right here, 14x. Okay.
Okay.
Times this, and the goal is x to the 5th. Does the 14 have any sway, any juice, any swag on the exponent?
Yeah, because it has an X. So that's
Well, the 14 doesn't. The x does,
yeah.
right? So I got to throw. Go ahead.
The 14 is nothing. It's just the
It's
X. That's
nothing. It's nothing. Right.
gone.
Exactly. Gone, baby, gone. Okay. So we're almost there. If we find r, we're golden.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to do some exponential rules here. We're going to say x, and we're going to clean this term up first. What x squared to the 6 minus r is equal to x
12.
to the who?
12 minus R.
Why do you erase this against multiplying the 2 by the r as well?
Oh, minus 2R. Oh my goodness.
What is the matter with your species, you teens? You never want to do that. Now, what's x times x to the 12 minus 2r equal to?
2X. No. X to 13. Minus
Yes, because there's a 1 here, isn't there?
Yeah.
There's a 1, right? And so when we have the same base, it's all about that base, about that base, about that base. We add the exponents. So it's 1 plus 12 minus 2r, or 13 minus 2r.
Oh. Then you can just get rid of the X's. Well, you don't get rid of the X's, but you just forget about them for right now.
Thank you so much. And you tell Elmac that next time she says they cancel.
Oh.
Am I right here?
Yes.
So
And then you
r equals.
Oh.
Isn't that fantastic?
That is.
So now we're in business, right?
Yeah, now we plug everything in.
To this guy.
Yeah. But you can't forget the 14X now.
Well, that's why we're going to bring it along for the ride.
The bracket.
So 14x times 6, choose what?
4.
Times, now get your calculator out, x squared.
Let me add a page. Hold on. Control. Ooh, fancy. Adding pages.
X squared to the what?
6 minus 4, which is 2.
So can we just put 2 in there and you'll be fine?
Yeah, I was just doing it in my head.
And times 3 to the who?
4th.
That's right.
Which
So
is-
let's see if you can do this on your calculator. It's a race. Do you remember how to do choose?
Isn't it?
That's a no.
It's
You'll figure it out.
oh,
Menu.
it's combinations. Yep.
Good. So you need
Six.
to go to menu, right?
Yeah, I did that already.
That's awesome. See,
I
once you
got
do that, you'll remember, right?
6, 4. I forgot my 14x. Hold on, I had to go get it and bring it back. X to the 6. Oh, never mind. No.
That's
Don't.
this.
Yeah.
Oof.
Wow. Sometimes. Why do I have parentheses? Oh. Oh, that's undefined. Oh, do I have to put parentheses around 14x? Yes.
Are you putting an X in there in your
Yeah.
calculator?
Yeah.
No,
No.
because the X, you can't do. Since when do you put X in your calculator? When you're just calculating, when you're like multiplying.
Oh, you're just doing N choose R. Why'd you let me sit
14
wrong?
times 6 choose 4 times 3 to the 4.
Why'd you let me sit here for so long doing that?
Well, I didn't think you were doing that. I thought I was trying to interpret the Ashlyn language, and when you said 14x, I assumed that you meant you're only putting 14 into the calculator. You know how you don't say the right things mathematically? And then you yell at me. Well, that's what I meant. I'm just
Oh,
like,
you
all right.
already found it. That's so
Huh?
sad. You already found it. Why was I even doing it?
Dude, what do you mean? You would have been throwing X in there.
Yeah, but then why
How
did
could
I
you
do it?
possibly yell at me?
You found it. Why am I doing it? Like you had it, and I.
You are so ready for marriage. Oh my God, you are so ready. You will never lose an argument.
No, lawyer's kid. You can't lose an argument.
Oh my God. I cannot believe you turned that around. Are you good? Did you get 17,010?
You got the same answer as me. Yeah.
Speaking of lawyers, I had jury duty today. How about that?
Ooh, you got like picked? That's so
No,
fun.
I had to report,
That's sad.
but I didn't even get asked up to a courtroom. Thank goodness.
Why, that would be so fun.
It's not.
Oh.
I've done 2. One was petty theft. One was first degree murder. That was not fun. Yeah.
It sounds fun in theory, but like
It's off. It was awful. It was
Yeah.
one of the top 5 worst weeks of my life. Top 3.
It was only a week.
Yeah, top 5. It was a week. Yeah.
I've always had like a dream, like I want to be
4
in one
days of trial, 1 day of deliberation, and I was the foreman. It was terrible.
That's the one that reports everything.
Yeah. Okay. Tamia,
Yeah.
are you
There's
reading this?
apple pie that cuts into slices to share with her friends. The small slice is cut first. The volume of each successive slice. So successive means like I cut my first one, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. Forms a geometric sequence. Oh, now we get to use geometric sequences. The second smallest slice has a volume of 30 centimeters cubed. The fifth smallest has a volume of 240 centimeters cubed. Find the common ratio of the sequence. So I pull out my handy dandy formula sheet, and the common ratio, wait, that's like something divided by. That's divided. I haven't done this in a while. I love that I was bragging. I'm like so good at this. And then this is one of them, and I don't know what I'm doing. Cute.
You kind of do. You kind of do. It's not, you haven't been terrible. You haven't been great, but you haven't been terrible yet.
That should have been my senior quote. You haven't been great, but not terrible. Yeah, it's like you divide. Hey, that's what I'm looking at.
Oh my God.
Hey, I'm on a roll today. I got a hit in the game. I'm doing
Oh,
great.
congratulations.
Thank you. Integral part of the team.
Integral, I get it. I see what you did there. All right,
Is that like a
give me an
math?
example of a geometric sequence. Forget about this one. Give me an example of a geometric sequence that
Like
starts with 2.
2, 4, 6.
That's
8.
arithmetic.
Oh,
That's arithmetic.
that's added. That's
Geometric.
2, 22, 56. I don't know. It's not adding. It's like you're multiplying almost.
So start with 2 and give me a geometric sequence. If
2,
you're multiplying, 2,
4,
4, good.
8,
8.
16,
Like,
32.
how are you getting this?
I'm multiplying by 2. A
So
scale
your common ratio is
2.
okay. So you just named some terms, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do we know the first term?
No.
Oh, poor. You said 1. Nope, we don't know. Do we know the second term?
Yeah.
What is it?
30
30.
centimeters.
Right. Okay. Hold on, I have to
No.
fix this.
Okay.
Do we know the third term?
No, but we know the fifth.
Oh, well, can you just hold on to your pony, your pigtails there? Could you just hold on for a second?
Very
Now, do you
now.
think the third term, how would we get the third term? If we knew the common ratio, how would we get the third term?
It's the third term divided by the second term.
No, that's the common ratio. But how would we get the third term?
Oh, you can plug it into one of your formulas.
No. If I
No.
knew the common ratio, for example, you just told me
You
to
just multiply it.
right. You multiply by the common ratio, right? So would you agree that the third term would be 30 times R or 30R?
Yes. Oh, and then
And
the fourth term, oh, sorry,
yeah,
is 30 R squared. No, R squared or 2R.
yeah, because it
Yeah. R squared, R squared, R squared, R squared. I said it. I said it.
R times R is what?
R squared.
Is it ever 2R?
No,
R plus R, what's that?
2R.
What's R times R?
R squared.
What's R times R times R?
R cubed. R cubed.
What's R plus R plus R?
3R.
Okay, don't do that to me again.
Sorry.
What's use of 5 equal to?
240. We have the fifth smallest line.
Got it. But pretend we don't know 240. What's it equal to?
30R cubed.
Which we also know is equal to.
240.
Can we solve for R?
Yes.
Do it.
Oh, so 240 divided by 30 is 8. And then you take the cubed root.
You don't need your calculator for that.
2. Oh, I did that. I did it by myself.
You did.
Ratio. Good job, Ashlyn. Wow.
I'm gonna choke. I'm gonna die by choking.
This is all on video too.
On freaking spinach and squash. It can be a steak or something.
Gotta live healthy.
What's the volume of the smallest slice?
The volume. So, oh, so 15? No, because it's squared. So what times what equals 30? What? I feel find the volume of the smallest pie. Wouldn't it? I feel like it's 15, but I feel like that's wrong.
Well, explain to me why you feel like it's 15.
Yeah, because wouldn't it be like 30 divided by R? And we know R, so 30 divided by 2 is 15.
Could you check your answer?
You do 30 divided by R.
Well, you already did that. You said 30 divided by 2 is 15. How could you totes verify it then?
Totes verify. 15 times 2, which is 30. Oh, I did it. Wait, I don't have to show anything for that, do I? Well, I can show what I did.
You could. I would, just in case you have a brain cramp and say 30 divided by 2 is 2x or something ridiculous like that. Or 30 divided by 2 is, who's to say? Who knows what you're going to do?
Yeah, who knows? The apple pie has a volume of a big number. Find the total number of slices cut from this pie. Now I get to use an equation, right?
You do.
It's so exciting. Okay, so S of n, we don't know because we don't know the total number of slices. Oh, we have
What
to use
we're looking for.
Yeah, we have to use a summation formula
Okay.
to get updated. So use of 1, we know now, which is 15. And then a parenthesis.
You're writing it down, right?
No, I thought you were. Hold on, I'll get a pencil. Oh, you are right. Really?
I am, but I think that you should. And then you tell me what you wrote.
Oh, okay. What did I just say? Why do I get all like, ugh, I don't know what equals. I didn't finish my sentence, but that's okay. 15 parenthesis R n. So that's 2n because we don't know the number. Minus 1. Oh my gosh, the internet's gonna think I like talk to myself. Over R minus 1. So 2 minus 1. But we have my big girl like cheer uniform on. So that's just 1. All over 1. Do you even really have to do that? S of n equals 15 2n minus 1 over 1. Right?
Okay. And the sum, so S of n equals that. Is that what you're telling me, this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have, let me get this straight. So you have 15 times 2 to the n minus 1 over 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we going to do with that?
Well, now it's just 1 on the bottom.
Oh, I'm down with that.
Yeah. But I mean, you can then like multiply it out. So it can just be that. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
So then you just distribute it, right? So 15 times 2 to the n, 30 minus 15. No, nope. Oh, well, I'm setting it equal to, oh, nope.
No, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Don't I dare what?
Grab your calculator. Don't you
did.
dare.
My calculator's over here. I looked at my paper.
Well, don't you just look at the screen.
Oh.
What's this? Tell me what we're going to do here.
Solve it. It's 15 times 4, which is 60.
Oh, but according to Ashlyn, what I do is I would do this.
You still get the same. Oh no, you don't get the same answer. Oh my gosh, that one I can't win.
We're back. You know what we're back to?
What? Oh no.
X times X is 2X. That's what you did.
No, that was just
Yeah,
a
you did. You saw 30 squared and you said 30 times 2 is 60. It's the same answer.
Yeah, because I didn't like think I need to process and then open my mouth. I just need
So
to.
why is this not true? What rules do we follow so that we don't have airplanes crashing to each other in the sky? What rules do we use when we're performing operations?
PEMDAS.
Yes. So can we multiply this before taking care of the exponent?
Can if you put a parentheses around it. No, you can't. I'm just kidding. I was trying to be no.
No. So please tell me this is not 30 to the n power.
It's not.
Because we can't evaluate the n, can we?
No.
Okay.
Oh,
So here's what you're missing. I want you to reread 3C again.
Oh, you said it equal to 61425.
Praise be.
Then then you divide by 15.
You go ahead and do that.
Oh, 61425. 4095. And then
What do we got?
4095. And then you can add 1.
Feel free to yawn.
Sorry. You can add 1.
I mean, you got a hit. You were integral to the team, so whatever.
I can't do this today. Then you square root. You take the square root.
Why do you take the square root?
Oh, you can't take the square root. Oh, can I divide?
If this were n squared, you could take the square root.
This is so rude.
So what are you going to do? You're going to divide by 2? Is that what you're going to do with the exponent? Did we not just talk about PEMDAS?
This isn't funny. No, I'm not going to do that. I feel like I should have done a square. No, the square.
If you say square one more time, I'm gonna be knocking at your front door. There is no 2 in the exponent anywhere.
Factoring thing for some reason. I feel like I should have done that. No, that's even. I'm just gonna stop talking now.
No, you're not. No, you're not, because you're gonna figure this out because you're smart enough to figure it out.
I want to set it equal to 0, but that's not what you do. And there's not very anything else to do because I can't take the square root.
2 things you can do.
I can't. Well, you
There
said I can't
2
divide it
options.
by 2.
Yeah, that's because you're a big girl and you would never think that you could do that in this situation where the variable is in the exponent.
Are you sarcastic? I can't tell.
I'm not being sarcastic.
Oh,
you're a big girl, and with the x with
Oh, you can't divide it. Oh, you divide it by 2.
You cannot divide it by 2. It's 2 to the n power.
I said, are you being sarcastic? You go, no.
I know I wasn't. I was, because I said you are a big girl and you would never divide it by 2. I'm not being sarcastic.
Oh, I really can't do this. Oh my gosh.
Yes, you can.
There's nothing to do.
There's 2 things to do.
I do. There shouldn't even be this many steps. It's 2 marks.
That tells you something. You do have a calculator, so you could graph it, but we're not. I'm not let. No, I am not letting you off the hook.
so much effort. No, thank you.
You'd rather get it wrong than graph it.
Yeah. Because I didn't even think to graph it, so I would have gotten it wrong.
Okay, so read the equation from left to right, what we're trying to solve right now.
2n.
No, it's not 2n.
2 to the n. 2 to
Right.
equals 4096. What?
2 to the 2 and
That was such a delayed reaction to it.
just like let's start over with that. Read it.
Can I put it in parentheses? 2.
No, I'm getting you to focus. I'm trying. This is like just say it.
2 to the nth power equals 4096.
That was beautiful.
Thank
2
you.
to the nth power, right? Well, so what do we mean 2 to the nth power? What is that? What? So we're going to put a number up there, right?
Sure.
Huh. What's 2 to the second power?
4.
What's 2 to the fifth power?
8. 16. 32.
It goes up pretty quick, doesn't it? Because it keeps doubling.
Oh,
I bet.
I just tried combinations. That's embarrassing. Oh, you didn't see any of that. No, not 8. 2 to the 10th.
The whole world's about to see it.
2 to the. I love that I was. Oh, it's n equals 12.
Yes, because 2 to the 12th power equals 4096.
Yeah. I did know.
That's method 1.
That's a great method.
You can't do anything. I tried to divide. Method 1. 2 to the 12th equals 4096. N equals 12. And then you would certainly write, there are 12 slices of pie that Mia can cut.
I would.
Huh?
I would, because I think it would get me an extra point, and that's not how IB works.
It wouldn't. I would draw right. Never mind. Now, this isn't always going to work.
Oh.
Because it could be that your base is, I don't know, 3.95 to the n power. That pig ain't gonna fly, right?
Right.
That horse ain't gonna hunt. Am I right?
Right.
It's that dog ain't gonna hunt. That's why it's funny.
Nah.
Okay. So whenever we spent a lot of time learning about these things. In fact, we were just talking about them. Whenever there is an exponent, whenever the variable that we're solving for is in the exponent, what do we use? What do we do to both sides of an equation if the variable is up there in the exponent and we want to bring it down?
You move it to the front. Oh, 1/2. No, you bring it to the front. Both of those.
We can only do that if we're doing what?
Oh, to both sides.
Do what to both sides?
You bring them to the nth power on both sides.
No.
Yeah.
What method that you love?
Oh my gosh. The only method we like, the method like name.
It rhymes with smog.
Frog. Trog.
Go through the alphabet. Start with A. See what you get. You'll get there. I promise.
Dog. We talked about a dog.
You forgot bog. Bog is a word.
Bog,
Bog is a word.
yeah. Oh, log. We do the logarithm. Oh, you're so done with me. This is fun.
So we're going to take the logarithm.
Oh, because it's the opposite of exponents. Duh.
I don't know what to do. I can't divide. I want you to write this down. 2 to the n equals 4096. I'm not going to do it. You take the log of both sides.
It's just rude.
Oh my God, your husband has no chance, 0 chance, not even a prayer. And you're not going to show him that until after, like during the reception. That's when,
crazy
that's when he's going to learn.
Can I divide log 2 by log, or log 4096 by log? No. I did this wrong again. Because I brought the n to the front again and
Yes.
Oh
Is
yeah,
that what you did? I
did
thought you were going to divide before that. You
No, I
moved
did.
the n in front?
Yeah, I did n log 2 equals log 4096.
Absolutely. Log 2 is a number, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, then you can divide it.
So I divide by log 2. So n will equal 12. Math.
Well, did you do it on your calculator?
No, I'm just
Then
math.
do it on your calculator. I want to make sure that you can do it.
Log base 10, because that's the regular one. All over log. Oh, that's 10, not log. Log base 10 again. No,
You don't have to put in the 10, by the way. If you don't put anything in, it knows it's 10.
Yeah, but I need to fill all the boxes. It's 12, period. Period. This is so fun. This is what I needed. I feel very confident in my mathematics right now.
I do, yeah, I'm with you. I am with you on that one. All right.
I feel very confident actually right now.
I know you do, because in your awesome Ashlyn way, I know you've got it. I know you've got it.
I need to ace this too, and I think I got it.
If they're the same questions.
They are. She just switches the numbers.
Really?
Yeah.
That's probably what they're going to do on the IB exam, I bet. I bet you that the IB people are going to send you a review.
No, I really, like the IB exam, I just don't even think, I'm predicted a 2 now. So I'm just like, it's done. I don't care. I'm not getting college credit. I'm in college. Oh, I committed. I'm going to Ole Miss.
You were committed, I believe that. Oh, okay. I thought you were committed to a facility. Oh,
yeah. No.
Oh, congratulations. I'm very excited for you.
Thank you.
Ole Miss is getting a gem. They certainly are.
They're getting something.
They are. They are. You're going to have such a great time. And an education to boot.
Yeah.
Yeah. I shall send you the notes. Do you want me to send you the video too, so you can watch yourself?
No, thank you.
You'll see the band pop, the whole thing.
Oh, I forgot about that.
You get to see yourself go, oh, like that.
No, that's so embarrassing. Oh, I hope this goes viral.
Wait till you see my Tic Tac video. It's gonna be off the chain. No, Tic Tac. What are you talking about?
I don't know what Tic Tac is. I'm not getting.
Why do you say Tic? What's Tic Tac? All the kids are using the Tic Tac.
No, thank you.
Are you on the Insta Rice? Do you do the Insta Rice thing?
Oh, you're pulling my leg. Oh, I thought you were being serious.
I love the instant rice. I like the snap peas.
Oh,
I love the snap peas. The face plant. The face plant. All the grandparents are on the face plant.
I'm on face plant.
Are you?
Yeah. I had to
Yeah.
get it so I could find a roommate.
On the Facebook.
Yeah.
Bye, Ashlyn.
Thank
Until
you.
next week.
Bye.